Hey everybody, it's me, Vic. I got a package today. I'm kind of excited to see what it is. I mean, I already know what it is, but I'm excited for unboxing it. Look at this. I didn't buy the disc or the base, but I intend to buy that later. But yeah. So just a heads up, when you are unboxing, be careful. It's like really close to the brim of the box. And I accidentally got a little knife mark there. But let's unbox it. So I broke the seal in the back and we're unboxing it. This is gonna be hard one-handed though. Oh, I gotta slide this thing out. Hold on, y'all. I need both my hands and I can't film and do it at the same time. But I will slide the box out and then I'll restart the video. All right, I started the video back up. I don't know if I need to be doing this from the top up or if this is the wrong way to do it. Oh, look at this. They gave you another HDMI cable, but I have some HDMI cables that are from Elgato, so I'll probably just leave that alone. They give you a USB-C to USB-C cable. Obviously, there's the plug. I'm assuming this is the DualSense controller. Yeah. Alright. Doing this one-handed is a little challenging, right? You would think I'd use my tripod, but if you know anything about me, sometimes I get a little excited wanting to unbox stuff. I'll be using my black one and pairing it up, but this is pretty. It's like the original with the PS5 Pro, regular PS5 versus PS5 Pro. It would have been nice to see them include their newer, but okay. What is this? Can S. Oh, look at that. They give you the thingy to stand it up if you didn't buy the base, which is fine because I like doing mine horizontal versus vertical. All right, now I have to slide this bad boy out, so I need both hands again. I'll be right back. As you can tell, my Snorlax is pretty happy that he got a PS5 Pro. He's my employee of the month, but here it is. Oh, what's this? Instructions? Who needs instructions? All right. Oh. I think I'm going to use my foot to hold down the box and slide it out. I am doing this one-handed. All right. Yeah, y'all saw my foot. All right, here we go. All right, so it comes very, very gently packaged. I know y'all are probably like, oh my God, you move too much, but I don't care. Oh boy. Gotta do it right side up or wrong side up? Oh, I'm about to find out. Oh, okay, I'm getting close. It's wrapped. Look at that. Is it one of these where I have to, oh, okay, I see. Look at that. You know, the white is a little unusual. It's more like a white gray. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. To me, in my eyes, maybe it's because I'm in a dimly lit room. It looks more gray than it does white. Yeah, look at that. You can tell it's a little on the gray side. And this is not the 30th anniversary, so that's interesting. But I intend to, once D-Brand makes plates for this, update them to a D-Brand plate. Don't get me wrong, I like this, but like I want to make sure it's properly ventilated because of the fans. But yeah, PS5 Pro, y'all.